Welcome back. Well, let's get some more stocks in focus today. Hormuz is now joining in. He has the big movers from yesterday, which saw heavy volumes and which would be in focus in today's trading session as well. Hormuz, over to you.
Good morning, Ekta, and a lot of movers in the broader markets on very strong volumes as well. Let's start off with Indraprastha Medical, and it was the 20% upper circuit for the stock, the first time after 5 years that the stock saw a 20% circuit yesterday. The fifth straight day of gains now for the stock yesterday, and more than 60 lakh shares that changed hands in yesterday's trading session. The 20-day average here is just 2.5 lakh shares, and even for delivery as well as a pretty impressive delivery volume, almost 1/3 of the total traded volume was marked for delivery. Over 17 lakh shares. Here too, the 20-day average is just over a lakh, and as a result of that 20% circuit and this 5-day of gains, the stock has turned positive on a year-to-date basis. The railway stocks saw a bit of a spike towards the close of yesterday's trade after the announcements made by the cabinet with regards to some new projects. IRCON ended 7% higher. Over 1 crore shares changed hands yesterday. 40 lakh shares being the 20-day average. A similar trajectory for RVNL and IRFC as well. They are still close to their 20-day average, but still volumes being on the higher side, seeing a spike towards the close of trade. On the delivery front as well, 24 lakh shares of IRCON were marked for delivery, 20-day average being 10 lakh shares, and same is the case for RVNL and IRFC as well. They're closer to that 20-day average on the delivery front, but since the spike came in closer to closing, it will be interesting to see whether these names see any follow-up action in today's trading session. And the last one on the list today is RHI Magnesita, and that stock was up 10% as well in yesterday's session, but it was only the second instance in the last 11 trading sessions that the stock ended with gains. But take a look at the volumes yesterday. They were the highest on record. Not just that, they were the subtotal of the last 77 sessions put together for RHI Magnesita. Close to 4 crore shares changed hands in yesterday's trading session. The 20-day average here is only 1.5 lakh, and out of those quarter to 4 crore shares, close to 18 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average here too is just 70,000. So moves on very strong volumes for RHI Magnesita and a lot of these broader market names.
All right, Hormuz, thanks a lot for that. We take a